Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I was at Giant Food Stores. I was trying to get there. I have been trying to get there all week long, and I'm just getting there. Today is the last day to do a lot of these deals because the sales at Giant end on Thursday at midnight. So I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible so that you guys can go do the deals. So only thing that you're going to need is your Giant app, and then you'll also need your Ibotta app so that you can redeem some rebates. If you don't have Ibotta, no worries. I will put it in the description box as well as in the comments. And if this is your first time using Ibotta, once you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get an extra $5 on top of any rebates that you redeem. So guys, let's jump right into this deal because we have a lot of different deals to cover. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the Raid light trap refills. So guys, whenever I go into Giant, the very first place that I go to is the clearance section. No matter what I'm getting, I always go to the clearance section because you never know what they're going to have, what's going to be marked down, what's going to be discontinued. So I want to make sure that I'm able to take advantage of all of that. So these light trap refills were on the last chance section in the clearance section, and they were like 75% off. They were actually they're regularly $7.99, but they were marked down to $1.99. That is an excellent deal, guys. But what makes this deal even more special is because there's actually an Ibotta rebate. So if you go into your Ibotta app, you will see this rebate for Raid products. Most people wouldn't redeem this product for this rebate because they see the can and they're just like, oh, that doesn't match. But it says Raid products, and sure enough, when I scanned it, it matched. So I got $1 back for those light trap refills. So I was only able to pay, I only paid $1 for those. Excellent deal. I was very happy with that. The next thing that I got was the probiotic milk. And I actually got that for free, guys. That is a freebie that Ibotta's given, and they're actually giving it at a lot of different stores. Like, I know it's Walmart is one of them, but I actually redeemed mine at Giant. And at Giant, it is regularly $4.99, but it's on sale for $4.49. Now, when you scan it into Ibotta, Ibotta is actually giving you back that whole $4.49. So here you see I got back the $4.49, but then there were also 2 other offers for any brand non-dairy milk. So I got back 5 cents for each one of those. So really, that made this a 10-cent moneymaker. But what's even better is that I got 3 offers, 3 rebates for this one product. So that really helps me to hit my what is it, the end of the week bonus, or yeah, the weekend warrior bonus, because I need 15 rebates. So that really helped me hit that, or get close to hitting that. Then the next thing that I got, which I think is an awesome deal, is the Splenda. So those boxes of Splenda, which are the 50 count, are $2.99. But when you scan them into the Ibotta app, you see you can get back $2.50, and you can get up to 5. So of course I got all 5, all right? So then actually you're only paying 49 cents a box for a thing of Splenda. So if you do the math, it's like buying one, and if you get all 5, you're going to pay for one but get the other 4 free, because it comes to like $2.50 for all 4 of them. So that's a super, super great deal. Then I grabbed the Old Spice deodorant. And the Old Spice deodorants, and those are the travel size. The Old Spice deodorants are $1.49 a piece. I just rounded up to $1.50. So that comes to $4.50. Now this deal comes around just about every month, and every time it comes around, I do it. And I use these little travel size items to resell for my baskets, little Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, all kind of things. Guys, they come in handy like crazy. But there is a digital coupon in the Giant app that you want to use that will get these free for you. So they're $1.49. But in the app, there's a $5 off 3 digital coupon. And this is a glitch because it's not supposed to be used on travel items. So if you add that up, if you round $1.49 to $1.50, and you get 3 of them, that would be $4.50. So actually you get the deodorant free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. You can't beat that, right? So then the next item that I got was the Duke's mayonnaise. And the Duke's mayonnaise is actually on sale this week. And it may be a little confusing because the sign says $2.99 when you buy 1 Duke's mayonnaise. Choose from qualifying products below, limit 2 offers. You only have to buy 1. And they will come down to $2.99. But what makes it such a great deal, I'm just going to round that up to $3. What makes it such an even better deal is because there is an Ibotta rebate that gives you back $1.25. And you can get up to 5. Now, my rebate says $1.25. Please check your Ibottas and do the math. My mom has a rebate, and hers is only 50 cents. So hopefully yours is $1.25. So then that means that if it's $1.25, you're only going to pay $1.75 for a 30-ounce jar of Duke's mayonnaise. And you don't have to get this one, the one I got. You can also get the light, whichever one works best for you. Now, the rebate on Ibotta for the Duke's mayonnaise is good until tomorrow. But the sale ends today, okay? Just like the sale, well, the Rage you can get anytime. The deodorant, the Old Spice deodorant coupon doesn't expire until the 30th, so you can do that anytime. The Splenda deal you can do anytime because the Splenda is not on sale, and the rebate doesn't end anytime soon, so you can do that anytime. And as far as getting your free milk, you can do that anytime also. All right. Actually, let's back that up. Actually, the Splenda ends tomorrow. So you can do the Splenda tomorrow, Friday, but the other deals you have to do today. All right. Now, let's talk about the Hellmann's roasted garlic sauce. So in your Giant app, there is a $3 digital coupon off of any one Hellmann's product. And there are a lot of different products that you can use this coupon for. It's totally up to you. It's all about what you use or how much you want to save. So I'm just going to scroll through. So here's a mayonnaise. That one's $4.79. That's the canola mayonnaise. This is the Hellmann's real mayonnaise for $3.69. There's the smaller Hellmann's light mayonnaise for $4.19. Now here is the garlic roasted sauce that I got. This is on sale for $2.24. But look, guys, the $3 digital coupon is attaching to that. So actually, I got this free, and it was actually a 76-cent moneymaker. Also, you could get this one, the cilantro lime sauce. Again, that's $2.24. and the $3 coupons attaching. So that's a money maker also. This deal, these are on sale. So you want to do these today, Thursday. Don't wait until Friday. And again, guys, today's date is Thursday, March 21st. So the last deal, which is the deal of the week to me, I think this is the best deal. And this deal is not only a deal where we're going to get stuff for free, but it's also a money maker. Guys, I'm just like in love with this deal. And again, this deal you have to do today, the 21st, because the coupons that we're going to use, one of them expires today. So you have to get them done today. So you want to go into the store and you want to grab 2 of the Gentleman's Total Body products by Old Spice. Those are new products that Old Spice has brought out. Now, you can do the body wash also, but if you do the body wash, they're not going to be free, and it's not going to be a moneymaker. You know me, I'm going to do the cheapest deal. So I grabbed one of the Gentleman's Total Body deodorants, and I also grabbed one of the Total Body Vanilla Shea, I don't know what it's called. It's from pit to toe, so it's the whole body deodorant. They're each $12.99. When you scan them into the app, into the Giant app, there's 3 offers that attach. The first offer that attaches is this: save 3 instantly when you buy 2. Then this offer also attaches: save $10 when you buy 2. And I can't open this up, but it says 2 Secret Whole body sprays or Old Spice, right? This coupon expires on 3/23. But the reason I say you have to do it today, because although that offer does the save $3 when you buy 2 doesn't expire to 3/28, the third offer here that attaches, where you save $7 when you buy 2, expires today, the 21st. And yes, it is very unusual for 2 manufacturer coupons to attach. So yes, this is definitely a glitch, but go ahead and take advantage of it, guys. So you're going to get the $7 off, you're going to get the $10 off, and the $3 off. So right there, that's a total of $20 off that you're going to get at the register, all right? Those are $12.99. Let's just round it up to $13. So that's $26. So you're going to pay $6 at the register. Now, this is how you get it for free. You are going to go into your Ibotta app and scan them, because Ibotta's given us $7 back when you buy 2 of the Total Body products. So you're actually going to get back a total of $27, but you only paid $26. So that's a dollar moneymaker. I rounded it up, but if you don't round it up, it actually comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. So guys, that is the deal. That is everything that I got at Giant. I think there's some pretty good deals, so you still have plenty of time to go out and do them. Go out and do them. Let me know how you make out. Let me know what you end up getting with the Old Spice products. Let me know if you found some of the Raid refills, and let me know which Hellmann's product you end up getting. Until the next time, keep on saving.